Hey, welcome back to Single Black Vegan. This is a channel where I talk about a lot of vegan things. I try out different recipes. I also do a lot of reviews on different foods that I try, like the new foods. I'll let you know if it's thumbs up or a thumbs down. Right now, y'all know I love me some Trader Joe's, and today I'm talking about one of their vegan products that I fell in love with, and it is their vegan buffalo dip. It's not very, very spicy, because y'all know I don't do spicy, okay? First time that I tasted this sauce, I was like, or dip, whatever, and I was like, this reminds me of something. Now, BV, okay, before veganism, not that BV. Ugh. Anyway, I would go to the Cheesecake Factory, and the Cheesecake Factory had these, they were called Buffalo Blasts. And I just remember how amazing they were. They were so crunchy and just real good. Anyway, I was thinking when I tasted that, that is what it reminded me of. And I was like, oh, I wanna see if I can pull this off and try and make this myself. I'll do some jackfruit, find some vegan cheese, and I'll use this sauce. And that's what I did. So today I'm gonna share with you what I did, my recipe on a veganized buffalo blast from the Cheesecake Factory. You're gonna need to get some vegan egg roll wraps, some vegan cheese of your choice, the Trader Joe's vegan buffalo dip, and some jackfruit of your choice. Mix it all in a bowl just like this. Just stir it right on up. Put the mixture in the wrap, fold it like a triangle, and press the edges with a fork. Fry those bad boys up until they're golden brown like this. I decided at the last minute to mix together the dip and just some regular hot sauce, spread it all over them, and drizzled some of the ranch. It was delicious. Dipped it right in. Voila. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This was my first time doing this, so I definitely want to do something different the next time. I feel like the egg rolls that I used, the egg roll wraps that I used, were just too big. And if I'm going to use them that big, I need to put way more stuffing in there. So I think I'm going to go with wonton wraps the next time so that it's not so big, if that makes sense. They were massive and they weren't filled up very well. But that's okay. It was my first time, you know. But I just want to come on here and share with you guys a little recipe that I came up with. And of course, Buffalo Blasts have been around for a long time, and I'm sure many people have done this, but this is what came to my mind, and these are the results that I got. I just want to say thank you guys again for tuning in to my channel, subscribing to my channel, liking, sharing, all those things. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know the next time I put up a video. Oh, and this lip color that I have on, I know y'all like, where's she going? Nowhere, right here in my place. But anyway, this is the color Temptress from Velvet Ant Beauty. I will put the link in the description box. All right, y'all, have a good one. Peace.